Ẹ káalẹ́ o. Ó tó jọ́ méjì o. A fẹ́ máa wá lójoojúmọ́ ni. Ó kílẹ̀ wá pa. Báwo ló ṣe ń lọ nígboro ayé? Good evening, my mommy Obala. Good evening, ma. Báwo ni nǹkan? I wasn't going to come online today. I'm so tired. Ẹ kú àtijọ́ sí dáadáa ni. Ẹ kú ọjọ́ méjì sí dáadáa ni. Ṣàlàáfíà lẹwà gbogbo ní ńkọ́. What charge did they give for what? They charged her for act of terrorism. Really? Why? Act of terrorism for talking on Facebook. Girl, you know that's on deep care. Báwo ni ẹ̀yin èèyàn? Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Mo fẹ́ sáré fún yín ní ìròyìn tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ni. Ìròyìn tó ń lọ àti bó ṣe ń lọ. A dẹ̀ kú gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó ń lọ nílé ayé káàkiri lókèlódò. Ó ga o. A máa wá rí nǹkan lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn legal husband àti legal wife Ike o. Abẹ́ẹ̀ rí pa ṣe nǹkan. Lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn àní ni mo bá ń gé ẹja lénìí. Ni mo bá lọ fẹ́ já. Ni mo bá ẹja mo rò bóyá mo fẹ́ gé. Ọwọ́ ni mo rẹ́. Mo bá fi scissors gé. Oh my God. Mo bá fọ̀bẹ rẹ́ ọwọ́ ipò ká. Ọwọ́ yẹn ó tiẹ̀ ń kọ́kọ́ ń ro mí ná. Ọwọ́ yẹn ló kọ́kọ́ ń ṣe mí ná lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ayé ó mú wa ní. Lizzy ń pa fóònù nínú rọ́. ó ń pa fóònù nínú rọ. Sorry, my attention is being diverted. We're going to have a live chat on the platform tomorrow. I'm a proper live chat to Badola. Today is for quick update. Kó má dàbí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé a sọ fún yín. Nítorí a gbọ́dọ̀ máa jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ bó ṣe ń lọ. A gbọ́dọ̀ máa jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ bó ṣe ń lọ. Okay, so good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick update. I'm not going to be long at all. Probably maybe say about 10 to 15 minutes maximum. Dorcas imagine 10 to 15 minutes. Maybe say 30 minutes max. Àwa pẹ́ jù bóyá 40 minutes ìṣá. Mi fi pé ẹ̀ka tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣá. Anyway, ẹ̀ka lẹ́ báwo ni ṣé everybody wà okay. Ṣé miss mi jù fún ọjọ́ méjì péré náà ni. Just 2 days. Just 2 days. I have been extremely busy in the shop. That's why. And you know, business first. Before chatty, business first. Like I said the other day, kí àwọn èèyàn náà, ó dẹ̀ kí àwọn èèyàn náà manners. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn yìí tó máa dáa fún lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Ẹ̀yin torí orí odó ìlàwà, odó nìkan ló lè ṣe o. Thank you very much. God bless you. I appreciate you all on the platform. Thank you for your love and your support. Kí n tó lọ sórí ti LIZZY, jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ fún àwọn olórí burúkú nation. Ẹ̀yin wèrè ọmọ ewé, mo lérò pé orí yín burú, most especially wọ́n tó pè rẹ̀ ní Adéòfò sórí burúkú kìíní kan Táyọ̀. Ìwọ ṣe wá jẹ́ olórí burúkú attention seeker bẹ́ẹ̀. And you know, sometimes when I look at you, I just look at you like, what the fuck is wrong with that one? Àwọn only ones of me, we have not forgotten you. We just kept quiet because we said we should give you a break. Mo lérò pé olórí burúkú ni ìyá àti bàbá tó bí ẹ. Olórí burúkú ọmọ òfò. Orí tó fi ń ṣorí burúkú lórí Facebook, táwa tó kù tá ń gbowó ń bí. Ṣé kò yẹ kí wọ́n gan bẹ̀rẹ̀ live chatting? Òpònú aláìníròónú ọmọ àlè ènìyàn. Mo máa bounce sórí ìyá yín láìpẹ́, má worry, just give me just time. Mo sì fẹ́ sáré parí analysis ọ̀rọ̀ LIZZY tán. Tí má ti parí LIZZY tán, bóyá ọ̀la ó yẹ kí n parí analysis yẹn. Fún pò tí ẹ̀ tọ́ mi tí mo ti fìyà yín lẹ̀ tí mo kàn wò pé pé léè ti darúgbó ẹ fílẹ̀ jẹ́ kó máa ṣòṣì tó bá òun lórí platform ẹ̀. Fún pé wọ́n tọ́ mi yẹn, mò ń padà bọ̀ lórí ìyá yín. Èsì wà fún àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan tí ìyá yín sọ. Àwọn analysis kan wà tí mo gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe fún ìyálàyà yín. So, ó tún ti yí bíríbírí, ó máa yí bírí kan ìyá yín in the next couple of days. Mo ń bọ̀, mi ò tí ì dé. Torí mo fẹ́ kí wọ́n tiẹ̀, mo fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ promote blog yẹn. Ó mọ̀ kó yẹ kó kàn wà lábẹ́ aláìsí náà, yẹ kí blog yẹn kó ṣe kíni. Iṣẹ́ tó ti ń ṣe lórí Facebook látọjọ́ ẹ̀, bó ṣe jealousy lọ́lẹ̀ làwátò. Tó ṣáà ń ṣiṣẹ́ kárakára tó kàn ń kọ nóòtì tó ń kọ oríṣiríṣi ẹsẹ̀. Ó yẹ kó o ti lọ ju bó ṣe wà lọ. Orí burúkú ló ń ṣe lórí Facebook. Àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń lo fídíò wọn kò sírú bó ṣe pariwo tó kó o gé fídíò wọn tó ní problem pẹ̀lú àwọn yẹn. I don't have problem with AJ team. So gbogbo àwọn manipulative skills orí burúkú òfò tó rò bóyá òun yẹn ọmọ dá padà. Níṣòro pẹ̀lú àwọn yẹn. Ẹ̀yin gangan ni problem orí social media. Ìyá yín ló dẹ̀ máa parẹ́ bí iṣó. Mò ń bọ̀, mi ò tí ì dé. Okay, so lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Elizabeth ANJORIN tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ń lọ. I received a letter from my solicitor and barrister. Remember, Abioniki Benson. I swear that her blog has no quality, nothing. Honestly, I suggest she, maybe do something better with her time. Sometimes má kàn wò pé ó ṣì wò lélẹ́yìn ṣe má kàn máa rẹ́rìn má kàn rẹ́rìn má kàn tún rẹ́rìn má kàn tún rẹ́rìn pé àbúlé ti ya wèrè ni. Kí ló wá ń kọ? Okay, kí wá ni mí ní orí burúkú tó ń kọ? Who the fuck is there? Fuck off, bitch. Like fucking wọn kò máa ń kọ rán kí n pa abúlé òṣì lélẹ́yìn ni. Ṣé lè rúbù? Nobody is ever moved by your blog. Who the fucking blog? Òṣì ló ń ṣe. Èèyàn kan tó ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣe blog ń sìn gan ọjà ẹ̀gán tàjú tiẹ̀ lọ. Kíní kan heaven dance àbí ó ráwọn tó bá post nǹkan orí bó ṣe ń go viral ni. Orí burúkú ni wọ́n ṣe náà. Òṣì ẹ kó ṣì lọ. Mò ń bọ̀ lórí ìyá yẹn mò ń bọ̀. Okay, so you know when I do my things with evidence. I don't do all this rubbish. Ká máa parọ́ lórí irọ́. Nǹkan tí ẹ fi máa mọ̀ pé Lizzy Anjorin ó jẹ́ onírọ́ ènìyàn tó jẹ́ pé Jesus Christ Ọlọ́run nìkan ló mọ ibi tó ti máa ń rí àwọn irọ́ tó máa ń pa. Àwọn irọ́ tí Lizzy máa ń pa. Ọlọ́run nìkan ló mọ ibi tó ti lọ máa ń rí. Do you remember when we came out of court the other day? She said irọ́ o. Although mo máa ṣe analysis tó bá ti di ní ọ̀la. I'm talking about Lizzy Anjorin's analysis. And I'm going to show you proper evidence on live chat, live and direct. Lálẹ́ ṣe mo ti jẹ̀bà tí mo ṣe wà. Ó dẹ̀ ti rẹ̀ mí. Èmi dẹ̀ ayọ̀ sùn láìpẹ́. Ẹ rí pé mi kì í wá sórí Facebook lálẹ́ because I don't have time. Or tí mo bá ti délé. Ẹ rí pé bọ́ síta ó ní àìrọ́ o. Ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn o. Lọ́yà ò sí kéèsì èmi àtòun o. Kíní kan. Nǹkan tó máa ń yà mí lẹ́nu lórí girl yẹn ni ó pé kí ló dé tó máa ń parọ́ ná? Ó ń pa fóònù nínú rọ́. Anyway, ẹ jẹ́ kí mi sáré ka nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ẹjọ́ fún yín lénìí. Mo mọ̀mọ́ just did a screenshot of it so that you won't have... I know the picture of what I posted is not very clear. I'm talking about the letter that she wrote to the court, which, is right here, okay? Ma kà fún yín dáadáa, ẹ dẹ̀ lè screenshot eléyìí náà tó ló dà pé lè clear ju eléyìí tí mo fi ràn gan lọ, okay? Mo máa kà fún yín nísìnyí. So, the money was due to be paid yesterday. That is £17,892 was due to be paid yesterday. And a letter, she titled it urgent, okay? And this letter is from Lizzy Anjorin herself. This letter was sent to Queen's Bench Division. She sent it to the court, okay? Room E07, the Royal Court of Justice, Strand, London. And of course, the postcode is there. And she said, Mrs. Elizabeth Anjorin Lawal, HE4 FD Street, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Letter was dated on the 7th of September 2021, as you can see it there. Can you see it there? Okay. So that kò ní dàbí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀rí ni o. Elizabeth Anjorin said she knew nothing about the money that needs to be paid back. She said she said that pé irọ́ ni òun ní pé kó sanwó kankan. Kí ló dé tó máa ń parọ́? Èmi kọ́ ni mo kọ lẹ́tà yìí o, àbí èmi ni mo tún kọ torí lórí burúkú yín. Lórí irọ́ ni o, iringan ni o, Olúyọ̀lé letter. She wrote this letter to the court herself. Only dear sir, read Mrs. Lawal versus Adeyinka and Coca. Case number, case number C. Only, I write this letter with much strain as I found a decision of the court awarding cost in bracket. I thought she said that there is nothing about £17,000. Mo máa tún lẹ́tà yẹn kà fún yín lọ́la tí n bá ṣe live o. Mo rò pé ó ní pé kò sí nǹkan kan tó jọmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Irọ́ pọ̀. Awarding cost shocking and difficult to comprehend, considering the abuse, derogatory word against my family, especially my business. You see, one thing that I don't like is when people lie. You cannot lie to UK courts to prevent cause of justice. You can't. I don't think I have ever attacked a business before. And if I have, I want her to produce it, the evidence. All I said is that Tobanta cream, you cannot have skin tag. And it is true because people's skin cannot continue to get destroyed because you want to make money and you want to be destroying people's skin. All this peroxide, all the hydroquinone that is being mixed in the cream is what is giving skin tag. Skin tag is not something that will just come up on your skin anyhow. No. It is because of the danger that is inside the cream that you are using. That is why you are getting skin tag. So I only created an awareness for my lovely Nigerians within the community because I don't want them to have skin tag. I use CQ Beauty even I don't have skin tag on my neck because our cream is herbal, you know. It's not something that has stuff on it. It's not like ma lo karawa ma jami je. No. It's natural. Natural stuff, no fishy. That's why you will not see it where ko lo cream or ko sare funfun fo leko. No. Any cream that does that to your skin is not organic. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti po oríṣiríṣi bleach ton fi ń fọ ilẹ̀ lẹ̀ wọ́n ti po mọ́. So I've never attacked your business. I've never said people should not buy land, even though ẹni tó bá fẹ́ lọ ra lẹ̀ sí Lẹ́kì ibi tí gbogbo ẹ wò. Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ lọ ra lẹ̀ sí Lẹ́kì problem ẹ nìyẹn now. The only person tẹ́mi mọ̀ tó ń talẹ̀ PSO mu ní. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé lẹ̀ wọn kò sí ní Lẹ́kì níbi tí omi ti ń sink wọn down. So ìwọ tó bá wò ó ní. Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ lọ ra lẹ̀ sí Lẹ́kì, it is up to you. This is it. Báwo ni èèyàn ṣe máa wà nírú situation yìí nílùú kan? Ó ń rè. Ẹ̀yin náà o. Ẹ wo Lẹ́kì.
I am just passing through.
Ẹ wo.
Every day now water, even spoil my car.
Ṣé gbọ́?
Please God no Sanwo-Olu. Please come evacuate me. And I will never come back to this Lekki anymore. The useless agent will tell me say the house won't give me the ocean view. Kò yé mi tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yé mi ni o. Governor Sanwo-Olu, I beg you. See.
Mo ń bọ̀. Ẹ̀yin náà wò, ṣé mi ni mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀?
Back to this Lekki anymore.
Ocean view.
Useless agent will tell me say the house won't give me the ocean view. Kò yé mi tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yé mi ni o. Governor Sanwo-Olu, I beg you. See.
Jẹ́ kí n gbé ẹ̀yin tẹ̀tẹ̀ wọn.
Anymore. The useless agent will tell me say the house won't give me the ocean view. Kò yé mi tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yé mi ni o. Governor Sanwo-Olu, I beg you. See. Water don't spoil car. Please call roof Lekki. Put roof in for Lekki. We have the money in Lagos. Put roof. So that if rain falls. See. We need to do something about this. Ocean view. Lekki. This is not my home. Never. Like
No be me talk am say ipe káwọn èèyàn wá ra lẹ̀ sí Lẹ́kì o. Lẹ́kì tẹ́pọ̀ mi ti ń gbé wọn lọ. Kò ń ṣe mi mú sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé ká má create awareness pé tó bá fẹ́ bá yá rẹ jẹ́ ìwọ lọ ra lẹ̀ sí Lẹ́kì kó jẹ́ ká yí ẹ bàjẹ́. A gbọ́dọ̀ create awareness. Tó dáwọn èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ ra lẹ̀ sí Lẹ́kì ilẹ̀ olómìnira. We have to create that awareness so that people won't continue to waste their money. Irú àwọn orú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kò dáa ká máa ṣe fúnra wa. So èmi ò dárúkọ business yẹn tó bá wọn ẹni kó ta kòkò mi o. Ó wá sọ, ó ní, I have now been able to go through all paperwork forwarded to me by my representative in the UK, Gordon and Thompson Solicitor, and I could not fathom how justice is administered in the UK. You can ask Google. Google is available. Hello, Google. How is justice administered in the UK? This is not Nigeria. We do things according to the book. Only to the victim of harassment such as me, you have not been harassed. Nobody harassed you. We only analyzed. Ma ṣe fíò ìfún ẹ lọ́la má worry o. I will not be distracted yo. Ibi tí mo dé mo mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Lórí iṣẹ́ òtá ń ṣe lọ lọ́wọ́ tí má ti parí ẹ̀ máa bounce sórí ìyá yín. Kí wọ́n tún ní bírèkì díẹ̀ tó ráwọn ọmọ ìyá yín wọ́n ti tọ́ mi o. Wọ́n tún ti tọ́ wàhálà o. Analysis dẹ̀ wà lórí iṣẹ́ kan tó ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ náà nínú anyway. So ó wà conjoined together náà ni. Hello? I didn't harass you, my dear. I analyzed what you posted on Facebook. I did not harass you. I don't harass people. I only put them through. My reset brain, car reset ọpọlọ. That's what I did. And that is why the court said, because I didn't harass you. She now said the court failed to hear the merit of my case because of jurisdiction, but awarded cost against a foreign citizen who had been subjected to unimaginable verbal torture by a total stranger. That is a lie. That is a lie. Lálàkọ́kọ́, ó yẹ kí wọ́n náà kó o ti sòótọ́ fún àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà rẹ̀ wípé ẹ̀ lo ẹ̀yin lọ́ọ̀yà mi o, èmi ni mo fẹ́nu mi kó kí ni mo fẹ́nu mi já scale o, èmi ni mo lọ sọ̀tọ́kùsọ online o, tí àwọn ẹni yẹn tí wọ́n fi wá sọ̀rọ̀ mi o. Foreign citizen, really? Are you a foreign citizen? You're not a foreign citizen. Èmi náà ń jalè wa. Wẹ̀ tó bá ní foreign ní foreign náà ní ẹ náà ni. Ó kàn lè wá láti Nàìjíríà kó a máa gbógun tèmi ọmọ onílùú náà. I'm British. God bless the Queen. This country, they owe me duty of care now. Ṣé wọ́n kàn máa bọ̀ láti Nàìjíríà wa kàn fẹ́ máa gbọ́ mi gbógun tèmi ọmọ onílùú, èmi ọmọ Queen. Irọ́ o, kì í ṣe yẹn in the UK o. In the UK, we stay together, we roll together. The decision of the court has further empowered the defendant to make live broadcasts against me and my family. That is a liar. That is a lie. With no boundaries. That is a lie. I have never stopped. I actually stopped before you came up with the court case. Because you wanted to use the court to threaten me, to stop me from talking. And they cannot stop me from talking. Why? Because you two, you are talking. Hello? You are talking. So the court cannot hold my mouth and say you should continue. Because what I'm having on my platform is a public debate. It's allowed. Hello? In the United Kingdom, LIZZY and ANJORIN, we have what we call freedom of speech. It allows us to talk. Nobody will gag our mouth from talking because I will fight it out. Because we have freedom of speech. You might not have that in Nigeria. That's why you see when somebody is talking about somebody, petition will kakiri. Even, let me tell you something, even in Nigeria, I'm coming to Nigeria in October. I'm born in Nigeria in October. Even in Nigeria, my dear, you cannot gag my mouth. Why? Because there should be, there should be law that guides what people are doing and what people are responding to. You put it online, I reply to it. If you know you don't want your matter to be online, don't put it online. Woru ani dibi ansin. Gbogbo bó ṣe sunkún tó ń jà tó ń nara wọn. Ṣó fẹ́ sọ pé ká má sọ ni wọ́n lè sọ fún wa ká má sọ náà. A máa sọ. Mo ń bọ̀ lórí yẹn náà mi ò fẹ́ show kéèyàn máa rush mi sórí show. Ó rí pé mo fún 2 days off nísìn. Ìyálé ọkọ pọ̀. Torí pé mo fẹ́ sí ẹja mo dẹ̀ gíra mi lọ́wọ́ dànù báyìí. Ó ga o. Kò yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. So nobody can gag anybody. Let me continue. Anyway, Bito Sorodi. Only it begs the question if the court decision was made in the spirit of justice and the principle of fairness. The court judgment was fair enough. Now, I'll break it down for you tonight, although, I think I've done that before, but I'll do it again. Now, UK courts, they are very strict. They are not stupid. They know law. They understand this. And they work by the book. This case is very simple. You put your matter online. People decided to debate on it. Fair enough, fine. Again, after putting your matter online and people decided to talk about it, you now went to... Don't compare your case to that of your grandmother, who is one of the people that advised you to go to court. Our own case, the people that she tarnished their image, they have never had any shows on Facebook. They've never spoken about her. They don't know her. They are citizens of this country as well as Nigeria. They come to this country quite often. Facebook. Do you understand what I mean? They are not just based in Nigeria. They didn't put their matter online. Your mother decided to pick on them because she wanted to steal £50,000 from them. She's a criminal. That issue is different from this issue that is on ground. Now, you cannot put something online and ask us, okay? Who is this? Okay, Timothy Solo. You cannot put your matter online and expect people to keep quiet about it. Now, in your own case, what you should have done, okay, so that we will not be where we are now, right now. What you should have done, you should have explained what happened to your solicitor properly. Instead, you went to them to manipulate. You lied to them. Did you expect us that you want to take to court? You expect us to keep quiet and not tell the court what happened exactly, or what? Of course, we would have to fight back and tell the court that, hello, excuse us. No. Because when you went to court, what you painted is completely different to Nkoto Shele. Oh, so fun one to Shele now. Oh, and they are harassing you, they are bullying you. Who is bullying you? Who is harassing you? Nobody bullied you, nobody harassed you. Nobody. Okay? It was you that put it online and we started talking about it. We are allowed to. Oh, I saw. Only since 2019, with no just cause, the first defendant has been attacking me. You see, you are a liar. This is the problem that you are having. Hello? Emi koni mo ko iwo lo kosi court a few days ago. Is this true? You said I have been attacking you since 2019. No, that's not true. Okay, now, Jackie explain be. Is it possible for you to come on Facebook and start talking about me without me doing anything to you? No, it's not. What did you do? Okay, now, sorry kó tún parọ́ fún ilé ẹjọ́. Irú nǹkan tó ń ṣe ó lè jẹ́ kó lẹ̀ wọ́n. Tó bá pẹ̀lú ìlò wà ó máa lẹ̀ wọ́n. Ọlọ́run. Tó bá pẹ̀lú ìlò wà tí mo bẹ drag irú kéèsì, ó máa dùn bàjẹ́. Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀wọ̀n níwájú ẹ, wọ́n á kí kẹ́sẹ́kẹ́sẹ́kẹ́ bọ̀ ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ni. Òun parọ́ fún ìjọba. Owó ṣe ń parọ́ báyìí ná. Irọ́ pọ̀ àkànpọ̀ gan-an. In 2019, I did not attack you. And I'm going to share the show I had for you. Ní 2019, mo bọ́jẹ́ kí n lọ bẹ̀ wọ́n. Nísòro, jẹ́mbẹ́ o. Ìwọ náà máa wo your channel video. Jẹ́ kí n bẹ̀ wò bí àmúlẹ̀ rí ń bí 2019. Sórí YouTube yìí ní ṣá. Gbé wá lórí YouTube mi. Lizzy Anjorin in 2019. Okay, this is the show here. Instagram and that side of things. Into mo fẹ́ sọ ńbẹ̀ yẹn kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Reason bẹ́ẹ̀. Now, the voice note that was
Shori,
attached to her
can you see?
picture
2019. Can you see it?
Esabont. That voice note
Can you see it?
was sent to the
Can you see it? Lizzy Anjorin versus Toyin Abraham, Madam Remi Surutu, and how Esabod mocked Madam Remi Surutu. What happened then? Ṣebí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Toyin Abraham náà ni ní 2019. Lèmi àti ẹ láti jọ ń bá bọ̀. What made me? Kí ni tó jẹ́ kí n fi sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ? Because you attacked Toyin Abraham that has never done anything to you, my dear. Owó ni wọ́n ní kó lọ san. My lord, ló tún kọ lẹ́tà sí. So má worry, mo máa padà wá ní n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní 2019 torí téèyàn ò bá mọ̀, a máa sọ fún náà ni. Mo ń bọ̀ tó bá dọ̀la. Join me lórí platform. Only amongst this derogatory statement made by the defendant individual were owó náà ní kó lọ san wọ́n ní kó kọ lẹ́tà sílé ẹjọ́. Wọ́n ní kó kọ lẹ́tà sílé ẹjọ́. Only amongst nǹkan tá a sọ òun lélẹ̀. This is you. Ṣé o rí pé mi bẹ́ẹ̀ post gbogbo lẹ́tà yẹn tán because mo mọ̀ pé lórí Facebook wọ́n lè sọ pé mò ń parọ́. Mo kàn ra post half of that letter because mo fẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kan wá constitute nuisance ni o. Torí o tún lè parọ́ pé ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. That I took someone else's husband and demanded for a DNA test. Lizzy ṣàparọ́ ni. Ṣé rí pọ̀ mọ́ Lizzy ti ya wèrè o. Owó náà ní kó san lẹ́tà ló kọ sí my lord. Kí ló fẹ́ kí my lord kó ṣe pẹ̀lú lẹ́tà tó kọ ẹ̀? Okay? All right, let me just prove that one to you. Ó ní wípé remember video. Okay. Let's see whether I'm lying. Hold on. Let's see whether I'm lying. Did you demand for a DNA test? Yes or no? Computer. Hello Siri, báwo ni? Siri sọ̀rọ̀ sókè o. Hello Siri. Oh. Sọ̀rọ̀ now. Hello. No need to apologize. I didn't apologize to you. I'm busy with you. Hello Siri. Hello Siri. Kí ló mú Siri mi tí ò máa sọ̀rọ̀? Mo máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Kí ni mo tẹ̀? Siri o. Wàláì Siri mi ò sọ̀rọ̀. Mo dẹ̀ máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Mo ti tẹ̀ nǹkan kan lórí ẹnìyẹn. Okay, let us find out. Bóyá Lizzy Anjorin, did you demand for a DNA test? Yes or no?
Lawal is not the father of the 3 kids. Chef Wele Poseti ni. Tó bá dẹ̀ sọ pé Mr. Lawal ló lọ́mọ mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta, let her come for DNA on Thursday. And I will arrange money for her to do her own DNA too. Wọ́n dẹ̀ compare síra wọn so that kò ní dá pé àwọn Mr. Lawal wọ́n manipulate result. Kóun lọ ṣe DNA, káwọn Mr. Lawal náà lọ ṣe DNA. Tó bá fi lè jẹ́ pé ọmọ mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta lọ́mọ Mr. Lawal, wàhálà nǹkan tó bá wọn èèyàn lè sọ. But ọmọ mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta ò ń ṣe ọmọ Mr. Lawal.
Lizzy, did you demand for a DNA test? Yes or no? Yes, you did. So, kí ni problem on their year now? Okay, that demanded for DNA. My husband never took care of his ex-partner because I did not allow it. Let's find out. Did he take care of the ex-partner? Did he? Only being pa one more. Not that he didn't take care of the ex-partner, the children. Let's go and find out. Hello Siri. Ẹ gbọ́ ṣé wọ́n fáwọn ọmọ lọ. Ṣé Abdulateef fáwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ olówó oúnjẹ? nìkan ló support mi. Ó ti sún mi. Èmi ni Lizzy Anjorin tó fẹ́ ọkọ ẹ̀. Èmi ni Lizzy Anjorin fún ọkọ ẹ̀. Láti ọmọ tó wà ní 3 months. Second born mi tí mo bí fún. Ó wà ní 3 months. Tó ti fi mí lẹ́mí ìdẹ̀lẹ́ anybody. Tó fẹ́ help mi. Nítorí wọ́n ní ìdè mọ́. Ṣé ó take care? Ṣé ó take care àwọn ọmọ? Kí ló dé tó tún lọ ń parọ́ náà? Anyway, that I smuggle cocaine to Mecca and kill 4 people in Mecca without any evidence whatsoever. Nobody said that. I never said that. You said it yourself. Mo bẹ́ẹ̀ play lánàá now. Unda, mo bẹ́ẹ̀ play lánàá. Ìwọ ló sọ. You said all of that. Look, I mean, ṣé o fowó elépo sétí ni?
Followers that could not help you to deliver your
Ǹbọ̀.
sick. A máa ní láti dáwó fún. Ṣùgbọ́n ǹjẹ́ béèrè pé kí ló fa sickness yìí? Ìlà see you as a sister. Show people. You package the sick, lies and everything.
Mo ń bẹ̀ wá ni.
People tó ń ṣe dáadáa. Yorùbá ẹ ronú. You said you are a nursing mother. Tó kò ní wo ọmọ ọlọ́mọ kó sọnù. Jọba ò ní blow tick. Àti inú mi ń dùn sí ẹ. Gbogbo wa, àní kò àní rò. Our people are carrying drugs. Nigerians are carrying drugs. Nigerians are into such person experience. But being a celebrity, because when they swap your card, it will appear that you're an actress or an actor. They will stop you. They will take you into their office. They will ask you, what do you do for a living? Blah, 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 blah. And I asked one of this immigration, I said, why are you doing this to Nigerians? He says, as a matter of fact, we receive a lot of emails from Nigerians that also person is coming, stop him or her. Our people are carrying drugs. Nigerians are carrying drugs. Nigerians are into money laundering. That Nigerian complains too much. That do you know how many emails we receive on Nigerians every day? That we purposely even send some people back. I was shocked.
Can you see? You're the one that said you are carrying drugs. You also mentioned in one of your videos that they even planned for you, that they planned that you killed somebody. You said that, not me. And that they almost arrested you. They almost locked you up. So please stop lying on us. And that Otun Kosibe, if you lo Kosibe oni. Oni won sọ pé ọ̀tá ọmọ ó máa kú. I never said anything like that. You can provide your evidence. I don't say stuff like that. Otun wa Kosibe oni pé that I am a very callous human being. Oh. Mi ò ṣe wọ́n wá parọ́ mọ́ lórí yẹn ni wọ́n parọ́ mọ́ lórí yẹn náà. Wọ́n parọ́ mọ́ lórí yẹn. Wọ́n parọ́ mọ́ lórí yẹn jọ. Okay. We'll continue. Only as a law-abiding citizen of Nigeria, I refuse to engage with the defendant. Instead, I seek redress in the country they reside for them to be cautioned. But you are lying. You are lying. Wani, I was traumatized and disappointed to learn that the case was not heard for the I was traumatized and disappointed to learn that the case was not heard for the lack of jurisdiction. The case was heard. What do you mean by the case was not heard? The case was heard, hence the reason why it was thrown out for lack of sufficient evidence. Because all the stuff you are saying will be bullshit. The case was heard. Only meaning if all other things mentioned by the judge or opposing counsel, it would have still been refused for lack of jurisdiction. So kí ló dé tó wá ń parọ́ fún wọn lórí Facebook? So ìwọ tó sọ pé oníwọ̀n ṣíwèé èmi àti ẹ, bọ̀ fúnra rẹ̀ ló fẹ́ nu ẹ sọ́nbì pé tó bá yẹ pé o tiẹ̀ tún wá lọ sílé ẹjọ́ gan wípé wọ́n máa ṣì dá ẹnu náà ni. Ó wá kọ síbẹ̀ ó ní yet cost of over 17,000 was awarded against me. Ẹ̀yin wèrè tẹ́ máa sọ pé lórí irọ́. Can you see what Lizzy Anjorin wrote there herself? Mo má bá yín kọ́ gé gbogbo bẹ̀yẹn sí tán ni o, torí mo mọ̀ pé ṣe máa sọ pé lórí irọ́. Mo wá fi bẹ̀yẹn mo kàn rọra ẹ rí pé ibi tí mo bá yín gbé dé lórí Facebook kò ju first paragraph yìí lọ. Lizzy Anjorin ló kọ ilé kì í ṣe èmi o, òun ló kọ o. Now, so she knew that 17,000 pounds was awarded and they've asked that she should pay that money, yet she came online to lie to all of you. Òun ló kọ síbí. Ẹ̀yin náà lọ kà fúnra yín, ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ rí abẹ́ẹ̀ rí? Ṣé ẹ rí? Ṣé bó là ń parọ́ ni? Ṣé bí wọ́n sọ pé Olúwọlé Olúyọ̀lé ni? Àló lórí burúkú ni gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ ewé àti gbogbo ọ̀gá yín pátápátá àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ pera yín ní Lizzy Anjorin fans tó ẹ pé lórí burúkú ni nítorí yín ò pé. Ṣé Nàìjíríà lẹ rò bóyá ẹ wà ni? This is London, man. Òpònú. Kí ló sọ? Only yet cost of over 17,000 was awarded against me. On what basis can this be justified? Lord, be Google. You have to ask Google that. Because it was justified on the basis that if you had explained to whoever that was defending you, if you have explained what happened to them, the very first time I received a letter of pre-protocol, whatever, I called that law firm. The person, I said, look, I am not a practicing lawyer. Money, but as a firm, money, did Lizzy Anjorin, did she explain what happened to you? I have the recording of when I called them. I'll play it for you when I come online tomorrow. I don't give a fuck. Money, because if she had this is when I received the very first letter, pre-protocol, proceeding. Because I looked at it myself and I was like, what the fuck is this? Why are you sending me shit letter? If at all. Money, are you sure she explained what happened to you? Money, because if she explained what happened to you as a firm, Mule, can you go through it out and say, sorry, we are not interested in this. Because who is going to question me? Which lawyer, which judge will question somebody for using their voice to speak for somebody that has no power, and somebody that is saying that they are hungry, somebody that is powerless? Which judge will say, okay, we are against what you did? Nobody. Kò síbi tán tí ń ṣe, kò possible ní sẹ́. Jésù Kristi mọ̀ pé kò possible ní sẹ́. Mo fọlọ́run bá ṣẹlẹ́rìí. Kò possible ní. Kò sí wo nígbà tó ń ṣe pórí yín ò pé kò sí ilé ẹjọ́ tó máa gbé irú ẹjọ́ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wa àti even in Nigeria. As bad as bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń sọ pé Nàìjíríà ṣe jẹ́, kò sí ilé ẹjọ́ tẹ́ máa gbé iṣẹ́ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọ àti Fọlá Tinubu lọ àti Nàìjíríà at anywhere tó máa sọ pé yes wọ́n máa dá anybody lẹ́bi. No. Even if you bribe the judge, tó bá tún bribe the judge ní Nàìjíríà, á lọ gbé àwọn alágbára gidi wá. Nobody will ever blame somebody like myself for defending somebody tó fẹ́ ba yé jẹ́. Let me continue. Only reading through the attendant notes of the barrister, as the court did not provide a transcript, yes, they did. If you need a transcript, you need to do what? you need to pay for it. They will not drop a transcript for you free of charge. This is the UK. I have my transcript. I decided not to post it because I know you will come and grab it on my wall. I paid money for it, so why would I post it free of charge for you to come and take on my wall? I have the original transcript. Everything that the judge said is available here in front of me. But I will not post it. Why? Because I paid £150 for it. Why would I give you my own transcript for free of charge? So if you need the transcript is available, you can request for it. Pay £150, they will give you. Only I understood that the judge reiterated several times that I have no jurisdiction to the issue, the claim in the UK. According to the barrister attendance note, the judge stated that we continue the case in Nigeria. Story for the gods. How can a judge say that we should continue the case in Nigeria? The judge did not say that. The judge said, and anything you hear from me is the truth. The judge said it has never happened before. The judge said that you claim that you are distressed. How can you be distressed? You are on the other side, we are here. You've never been to this country before. You have no intention of even coming here, even though you said you want to visit. You cannot even enter here now because of the. So how can you possibly be worked up by whatever we are saying? It is not possible. Go stress it out. The thing they will tell you is, if you know that, can you block off those people that are talking about yourself? And at the end of the day, how can something like that stress you out when you are the one that is creating distress? That is what the judge said. It is what you are talking about that they are doing analysis on, right? So, if he's stressing you out, okay, why do you keep talking then? Because you yourself, you have had several shows. So, if he's stressing you out really and truly, why do you, as a person, why do you keep having shows that they are doing analysis on? So, it's definitely not stressing you out. You are just lying. Now, you now send another letter regarding the case. You know, she has been shouting, oh, we have not started the case. We only went for injunction. Oh, we have not actually started the case. And now, because the injunction, she now sent another letter. And this one, I didn't post it online. But anyway, this is the letter here, and I'm going to read it to you. Okay, only dear Dorcas, I trust that this email finds you well. I attached 2 emails received from Gordon and Thompson solicitor yesterday ahead of the deadline today for LIZZY ANJORIN to pay you the sum due to you in cost after hearing. It appears the following is about to happen. Nínú lẹ́tà tó kọ. Number 1, LIZZY ANJORIN is discontinuing her claim against you. Number 2, she seeks more time to pay amount awarded to you in cost. So, you wrote 2 letters. You've said you want to discontinue your claim. I don't know why. Because you said you want to go to court, so I don't know what you are discontinuing claim for. And you are now begging us. Where are you pay me post tele on Facebook? Mama fi se nítorí mo mọ̀ pé wọ́n wá sọ pé ní wọ́n ní pé lólúyọ̀lé ni so mo ra bẹ́ẹ̀ mú yẹn pamọ́ síbi. And then the other letter that you wrote begging for more time, I didn't put that one to mo ra fi yẹn náà sí orí ibi. And you are now asking us to give you more time to make payment for 17,000 892. Now, I have spoken to my barrister today, and I don't have time for fuckeries, because I'm not going to be waiting forever to get my money back. I have better things to do with my money. It's none of my business if you decided to waste money and be going to court. That's your motherfucking business, man. I don't give a fuck. I need my money as quickly as possible, which I will get as quickly as possible. Let me read further. Only you will note that Golden and Thompson said they are instructed to file a notice of discontinuance. Why did you tell your... wọ́n tún ti jẹ mí ní mọ́ gbèsè o. Hello? Owó yẹn tún ti kọjá 17,000. Yes. Is it that? Kí ló dé? Àwọn wo ni àwọn company? Ṣáwọn Facebook lawyer ló ń advise girl yìí ni? Anyway, what it means when you discontinue a case, when you start a case and you decide to discontinue it, what it means is that you need to pay every single penny, any other money tí mo bá tún spend on top of what the court has already awarded. Nobody asks you not to discontinue, which means that Otiwo, you've looked at the probability of your case. You can see that there is no way you will ever win, which is obvious. You're not going to win anyway, because it is what you said that was analyzed. So what that means is that you are going to be owing me more money. Now we need to calculate each and every single cost. Phone calls, messages, email, everything, whatever. We need to now come to a conclusion of how much was spent. Apart from the injunction, every other cost must be calculated. Discontinuance entitle you to all cost of the whole action, unless they agree otherwise with us. I will let you know when I receive the notice of discontinuance. Toro le ni mo ń parọ́ ni o. Tó ṣe wá sọ pé o fẹ́ discontinue yẹn, ó tún ti jẹ gbèsè mọ́. Ó yẹ tún ti kọjá ṣé orí o, ó tún ti jẹ gbèsè mọ́. Mo ń bọ̀, jẹ́ wọ́n á continue láti máa kà lọ. Mo ń bọ̀. Mo ń bọ̀. Mo ń bọ̀. Okay, only reading, okay, EBB me kabiton like only reading through the attendance note of the barrister, as the court did not provide transcript, which they did. I understood the judge retreated several times that I have no jurisdiction to the issue the claim in the UK. According to the barrister attendance notes, the judge stated, okay, she now copied what the judge stated. Let me just read it. When the matter was called on, I raised a fundamental issue of jurisdiction. The pleaded claim is made under Section 1 of the PHA 1997, Section 1 and Section 3. In my judgment, the act relates to matter which occur within this jurisdiction. It talks about a pursuit of a course of conduct which meaning glasses meaning amount to the course of conduct. Defendant should know, etc. Section 2 creates a criminal offense arising from a purity of a course of conduct of Section 1. In my judgment, all criminal legislation subject to some extension which may appear in some status, the criminal remedies for all referable to matter occurring within this jurisdiction, the broad may have been diverse in this jurisdiction and broadcast here and internationally, but the conduct complained of its referable, the effect on the claimant, there can be no alarm or stress or else someone is learned of the conduct, and in this instance, the relevant knowledge of the claimant and the effect upon her is all something which has occurred and is going to continue to occur in Nigeria. Kí ló wá dé tó wá ní mo parọ́? My lord, as your lordship pleases, sir. Kí ló wá dé tó sọ pa àparọ́? Eléyìí ti wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ látọjọ́ yẹn o. Sórí pò ni mò ń kàǹsìn fún gbogbo ọmọ aráyé tó ń gbọ́. Nǹkan tí my lord sọ nìyẹn o, fúnra rẹ̀ ló kọ síbẹ̀ o. Jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run Lizzy Anjorin. Kí ló wá dé tó tún mò ń bọ̀ máa tún fi nǹkan kan hàn yín o. Ẹ máa ní sùúrù mò ń bọ̀. Níbo ni mo kà dé? Kọ́sìkìní yẹn ó kéré o. Writing yẹn kéré àti rí gan ó lágbára. Ẹni tó bá dẹ̀ ń wọ́gò bí irú wa bẹ́ẹ̀ o. This is the writing here. Can you see? Ó kéré gan. I have to stretch it out for me to see it properly. It's very tiny. In Nigeria, in my judgment, that will not give rise a criminal offense in this jurisdiction or in a civil course of action in this jurisdiction. It is because the harassment is all to do with the effect on the victim. In my view, there may be circumstances in which someone who has been subjected to the act in this jurisdiction, in a foreign jurisdiction, and it is this jurisdiction and the concern that similar act may be entitled to an injunction. Did you hear that? So in order for you to get an injunction, you have to be in this jurisdiction. This jurisdiction does not favor you, yeah? Oh. You now continue. Okay, so after copying the judgment, which is in this dark writing here, by my lord, Sherry Bito Dudu yẹn, ó copy nǹkan tí judge yẹn tó base judgment here on. Okay, she now wrote a letter here. But let me read it. She said this was the case of the judge. Only I feel my family and I have been punished for doing the right thing. I feel my family and I have been punished. You mean because they asked you to pay 17,000? No, my dear, you were not punished. Oh. No, you were not punished for suing us to court. I knew you were not punished, she said. Nǹkan tèmi sọ fún ẹni wípé hello. Tó o bá ti sòtítọ́ fún wọn níbi tó o ti gbẹ́jọ́ lọ síbi ilé ẹjọ́. they would have advised you correctly. So they did not punish you. Èmi kàn mú sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Nítorí pé wọ́n ní kí Lizzy lọ san 17,000. Ó lóun fi pé òun ti wà punished. Ẹ̀yin náà ká o. I feel my family and I have been punished for doing the right thing by swinging us to court. No. No. You were not punished for taking us to court. And they didn't punish you. It's just that you didn't follow the right course. And they are asking you to pay for the wrong because you made me waste money. Do you understand? Ó jẹ́ kí n waste owó. So therefore, owó yẹn ó gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe kíni? Ó gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ dídá padà. Ó ní ó wá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa mi nsìn. Ó ní the impact of the harassment on my finance. Okay. Only the action of the first defendant, that is myself, have cost me a lot, most especially financially and mentally. Wọ́n ní parọ́ ohun tó ṣe mọ́ ẹ o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà rere ẹ gbà mí lọ́wọ́ Elizabeth Anjorin o. Wọ́n ní parọ́ ohun tó ṣe mọ́ o. Wọ́n ò ní ja ó lè nǹkan tó jà wọ́n ò ní sọ pé o jà má parọ́ ohun tí mi ṣe mọ́ mi o. Ara nǹkan tá à ń sọ nìyí o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ òótọ́ o. Lizzy Anjorin ti ń parọ́ mọ́ mi. Ẹ gbọ́ báwo ni mo ṣe deal pẹ̀lú financially àti mentally o. Ṣé mi jẹ́ mental health patient ni tí mo fi ń deal pẹ̀lú nǹkan ènìyàn financially àti mentally? Ẹ gbọ́. Báwo ni mo ṣe kọ́? Ṣé mi ni mo ní kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ láti 2019? Ṣé rí irọ́ yìí pọ̀ o? Irọ́ yìí pọ̀ o. Báwo ni the action of the first defendant have cost me a lot, most especially financially and mentally. Ṣé mi wà náà àwọn èmi ò fúnyàn ní mental problem o. Ọlọ́run bò ní jẹ́ fúnyàn ní mental problem. Ẹni kí Lizzy má parọ́ mọ́ mi o. Má parọ́ mọ́ mi ọmọbìnrin, má parọ́ mọ́ mi jọ. Ọlọ́run ní parọ́ mẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ o. Ọlọ́run ní parọ́ mẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ mi sọ̀rọ̀ mi fún mental problem. Mi ò fúnyàn mental problem. Mi lágbára àti fúnyàn mental problem o. Àbí kí la gbé kí la ju ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ọmọ Nàìjíríà rere ẹ bá wa bí léèrè o. Wọ́n tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Jẹ́jẹ́ ni mo jókòó o. Èmi ò fúnyàn ní mental problem. Ọlọ́run mọ̀ jẹ́ fúnyàn mental o. Mental bá wò ó. Bí ẹ bá ti ní mental ti wọ wèrè nù. Ọlọ́run mọ̀ jẹ́ o. Èmi ò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Jọ̀ọ́ o. Ọlọ́run mo ibẹ̀ o. Jọ̀ọ́ o. Wọn ò ní parọ́ mọ́ o. In tó ṣe tó rà lórí igbá wọn ò ní lò rà o. Jọ̀ọ́ o. Kí la gbé kí la jù? Èwo mo ṣe? Kí ló dé? Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ gbà mí kẹ́ ẹ. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa wò mí ràn rèé? Kán mọ parọ́ wèrè mọ́ mi. Ká nírọ̀ wèrè. Ó dẹ̀ lé mi pé kinní kan mental bá o. Ó lọ́ mọ́ jẹ́ àrí mental o. Ní sórí ibú o. Mo ń bọ̀ o. Let me continue. Jẹ́ n continue bí tí mo dé. Only the false information spreading on live chat about my private life has made my client and potential client to distance themselves from my business. Ẹ̀yin warriors, wọ́n ti parọ́ mọ́ yín, wọ́n lè ralẹ̀ mọ́ o. Kí ló dé? Elizabeth Fokorun Pako. But tó bá ti wà lórí live, you made more money during this particular live show. You made more money because you are constantly saying hello, the phone is ringing, they want to buy land. You gain more popularity. The phone is ringing, wọ́n fẹ́ ralẹ̀ hold on, wọ́n fẹ́ ralẹ̀ o. The phone is ringing, wọ́n fẹ́ ralẹ̀ ní sùúrù ẹjọ́. Hello, even though pé arrange call ni àwa mọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ. Hello. Yes. Ṣé ilẹ̀ ti Lẹ́kì yẹn níbi tó mi ti ń gbé wọn lọ? Ẹ má worry. Sea view ni, original sea view. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti ralẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Bí tó bá kàn ti di bí 6 months bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn omi á kàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní yálé yín. Omi á wọlé tọ̀yìn wá, omi gbé gbogbo yín lọ nìyẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá lọ́mọ kékeré nínú ilé lomi bá gbé lọ tí yín bá bá yín. Ibẹ̀ yẹn ní kẹ́ ralẹ̀ sí. Ilẹ̀ olómi ni ilé olómi, ilé ọlọ́ràá. Bó ṣe ń ṣomi bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń ṣọ́ra. Bó ṣe ń ṣomi bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń ṣọ́ra. Ẹ̀yin ṣá máa dáwó ìjọ tẹ́ bá ní 1,000 naira ẹ send ẹ̀. Ọjọ́ 2,000 same náà ni. Ilẹ̀ olómi ọlọ́ràá níṣẹ́. Olómi ó tún lọ́ràá sẹ́. Àní kẹ́ ralẹ̀ síbẹ̀ kó mi gbé yín lọ sẹ́. ó wà available mà. Ẹgbẹ́ àtọ́jọ́ wo lẹ ti bá wa ṣe business mọ́mì? Ẹ má worry, anytime tẹ́ bá délé owó yín wà ńlẹ̀. Ṣóyòyò wà o. Àmọ́ tẹ́ bá ra ṣóyòyò, ẹ má gbàgbé pé ẹ máa ní skin tag o. Ó máa fún yín ní skin tag, bọ̀ ẹ má worry, a máa tún bá yín fix ẹ̀. Ẹ bá ti ra ṣóyòyò, ó máa fún yín skin tag. Tó bá ti wá fún yín skin tag, a tún wá fún yín ní remedy tẹ́ máa fi ṣe kíni tẹ́ máa. Ẹ má worry, ṣé ẹ ní stretch mark àbí? Stretch mark ara yín ò tí ì tó. Ẹ lọ bí kí lorúkọ ẹ léèrè. Ọmọ eléyìí 300 kg yẹn. Wà tó mi. Kò sí stretch mark lára ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀, àmọ́gbà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lo sóyòyò. Wàláì tàláì zigzag ni lè kọ̀nà. Ẹ bá wá láti Lagos dé Ìbàdàn straight ni ẹ kàn máa ṣá máa lọ straight ṣá. Ó wà ẹ jẹ́ n fi hàn yẹn ní sùúrù òun rè ó pọ̀ ńlẹ̀ ń bí iṣẹ́. Àní tẹ́ bá ti ní the stretch mark cream tẹ́ fẹ́ káyé yín ó bàjẹ́ sẹ́. Àní ẹ ra pọ̀nmọ́ funfun lọ́dọ̀ LIZZY ANJORIN sẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ó máa dára rí sínú ilé ayé yín. Honestly speaking. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Òun rè ó máa sọlé ayé yín dọ̀tun ni straight away. From no stretch mark to stretch mark. LIZZY ANJORIN cream lẹ́rí tó gbèrú yẹn. Ẹ rà káyé yín bàjẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ó máa fún yín stretch mark, ẹ má worry. But tó bá ti fún yín stretch mark tán, a tún wá fún yín ní stretch mark corrector. Tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní náwó sórí yẹn. Ìbẹ́yìn lẹ fẹ́ bóra. Bọ́lọ̀ ń ṣe dá yín láìkí ẹ̀. Nígbà tẹ́ ń gbọ́ pé wọ́n ní CQ Beauty Eve wọ́n à ń bẹ̀ tẹ́ pàwọ̀ yín ó mọ dán tí ó mọ fresh. Tí ẹ̀ ní forí sọ́gi. Ẹni dandan pọ̀nmọ́ funfun lẹ fẹ́ rà. Tí yín bá ti fẹ́ bàjẹ́ yẹn lọ ra pọ̀nmọ́ funfun. Èmi ò distance àwọn èèyàn kó lọ́dọ̀ ẹ mọ́ parọ́ mọ́ mi ò sọ. Àtàwọn èrò máa ń pè, ṣé bí wọ́n ṣe máa ń pè lórí fóònù nìyẹn, ṣé bá mọ̀. And the potential clients distance themselves from my business. Oga. Only I have struggled to keep my business and support my family financially. Ó máa san gbèsè mi men. Gbogbo story tó ń kọ yẹn kò kàn mí o. Ibú owó, Mọ̀mísí Florida, ọmọ fi wèrè lẹ̀ o. Ó máa san gbèsè lè tó jẹ ìmẹ̀. Èmi ò rán ìyá ẹ̀ o. Gbogbo orí burúkú tó ń kọ sórí pépà bí ẹ̀yẹ́ ò kàn mí o. Story ni gbogbo eléyìí o. Ó ní pé ká fún ẹ ní time kó fi san owó, àwa ò mind o. Màá gba owó tèmi o. Ó ní fẹ́ rí wèrè wo. Indomie tán fi kerosene sè ni ó ń jóná burúkú lórí iná. Gbogbo story eléyìí tó ń kọ yẹn fi wèrè lẹ̀ o. Kò kàn mí o. Kò kàn mí. Kí ni odidi ibú owó? Abdulateef ṣé ò wọ wèrè? Ìyàwó ẹ̀ jẹ gbèsè, lẹ́tà ló ń fi kọ sí iléeṣẹ́ amóhùnmáwòrán bí ilé ẹjọ́ o. Ó ní pé òun struggle lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ṣé ò dẹ̀ wá ní lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ bírí so pé báyìí? Àbí ṣé lórí burúkú ẹ máa jókòó síbẹ̀? Ń mọ̀ sọ pé bí yín ti jẹ gbèsè. Ó jẹ́ bọ́ síta kó lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ó ní I have struggled to keep my business and support financially. Long before and after the hearing on the 25th of August, the first defendant harassment on me has affected my business. Kí ni mo ṣe? I never spoke about your business. Why are you lying on me? I never spoke about your business. Ó tún wá continue ní the first defendant encouraged our viewers to share negativity about my business. I never did. Èmi ibú owó Mọ̀mísí oyin èmi. Ọlọ́run má parọ́ mẹ́lẹ́dàá mi o. Má parọ́ mẹ́lẹ́dàá mi wọ́n ní parọ́ mẹ́lẹ́dàá ẹ o. I never did. I only said people should be careful. Because we don't want people to destroy themselves in this country. And of course, things like bleaching cream and stuff is not allowed in our country. And I also said when they want to buy land, they should buy it in a very good area. Area to jẹ́ pé wọn ní máa ṣe. Do you want people? Ṣó fẹ́ kó máa wọnú omi lọ ni? Ṣó fẹ́ kó mi máa gbé wọn lọ ni? I never did anything. Please don't Lie on me o. Hello, our viewers. And you don't want to parọ́ mọ́ yín kẹ́. Have we ever shared any negative things about Lizzy's business on this platform? Lizzy, stop lying on me now. What's all this rubbish now? Ah. Ṣé ìṣe pé gẹ́ ìwọ wèrè? Kí ló dé tó dé ń parọ́ mọ́ mi? Wọ́n ti pass judgment already. Owó ni kò san. I never said anything about your business. Ah. Give us evidence where I said anything about your business. I never did that. And if viewers want to parọ́ you only the first defender encourage our viewers to share negativity about my business. Want to parọ́ mọ́ yín o. Want to parọ́ mọ́ yín o. And if viewers want to parọ́ mọ́ yín o. Only I enclosed a screenshot of a comment by our viewers. Consequently, Lizzy Anjorin, ó tún ṣí fake ID, ó tún wá fi comment sórí page mi. Ó máa fi comment èèyàn kan lórí page. Ìwọ tó bá ní comment wá wo comment ẹ wọ́n ti jù ẹ́ sílé ẹjọ́ o. Congratulations, you made it to the court. Only I am unable to afford the cost awarded against me. You are joking? I'm not able to. You will pay against me at the moment. The attack on me from 2019. Kò sí n tó kan lé ẹjọ́ nu gbogbo wèrè tó kọ síbí. As what? As done. The attack on her in 2019 has downwind our business. Has downwind down our business. Kí ló wá kí mi pẹ̀lú yẹn? Only this has made me to struggle with postnatal depression. Yeah! Àṣírí ti tú o. Yeah! Ọmọ ìmọ̀ ń sọ látọjọ́ ìmú lọ́mọ yìí ti ní nǹkan kan. Ló ti ní nǹkan kan. Àṣírí ti tú o. Fúnra Lizzy ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ kì í ṣe mi o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà rere. Ó ti sọ fún wa ó lóun ti ní depression. Yeah. Òun ló kọ síbẹ̀ kì í ṣe mi o. Ṣé gbọ́? In tó kọ síbẹ̀ ni mò ń kà o. Ṣé rí pó sign ẹ̀? Ó kọ Anjorin ṣé rí o. Èmi kọ́ o. Yeah! Àfìgbà tọ́mọ yìí sọ ẹ jẹ́ bá wa ẹ̀yin oníròyìn ẹ bá wa gbé o. Lizzy lóun ti ní depression kì í ṣe mi o. Yo. Wow. It has made me to struggle with postnatal depression and post-traumatic stress disorder. Àìsàn méjì ló ń ṣe papọ̀ o. Àìsàn méjì ló ń ṣe papọ̀. I do not have the capacity to raise such fund from naira to pounds with the attack on my business. Yours sincerely, Mrs. Elizabeth Anjorin. Okay, now let's now continue. Let me go into the mail. She now screenshot this person's comments. She sent this to the court to prevent her from paying. She sent that to the court. I don't know this person. This person doesn't even belong to this platform. That was what she sent to the court. Now, the court now replied her. Hold on. One second. Okay, the reply now is this. Only Because Lizzy and Anjorin live in Nigeria, the position now as to recovering the cost is as follow. Even though she wrote that her senseless letter, which is none of our business here, that has nothing to do with anybody, because at the end of the day, if she had won the case, she would have asked for her money back. And you cannot spend £12,000 on a case, as she claimed, and then you will say you don't have money to pay when it is ready for you to pay because you lost out on your case. Now, the sum, this is the reply, the sum owed by Elizabeth Anjorin as a result of court order we obtained £17,892 can be collected from her in Nigeria by enforcing the judgment to by instructing Nigerian solicitors in Nigeria to enforce the judgment obtained here against her personally. And this is going to be the next action. We've started this particular one today. This is the next move we are making now. You have about 10 cars inside your kidney there. You cannot tell us you don't have money. We have also sent all of that to the court. You have access that we can sell. So now this is the next move. The sum owed by Elizabeth Anjorin as a result of court order will be obtained. £17,892 can be collected from her by instructing Nigerian solicitor in Nigeria to enforce the judgment obtained here. The judgment that we obtain here will be enforced in Nigeria. Chongba, the judgment obtained here. One, ní ká ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ case mi ní Nigeria against her personally. If she has assets in Nigeria, that enforcement could be quite straightforward. Okay? Wọ́n ní tó bá ní ìbú owó, gbogbo mọ́tò, wọ́n ní it will be very straightforward. Though it may be time consuming, okay? And it will occur further expenses which will be wọ́n á tún join mọ́ gbèsè lè tó ti jẹ already. We have worked with one or two Nigerian lawyers who runs their own firm in Nigeria previously and will be able to send you their contact details, which we've taken the details, if you wish to pursue this, as they will be able to advise you best on the approach to take. Please let me know. Gbogbo yẹn láti ṣe paperwork ẹ lénìí pátápátá, just so that you will know. So you should be expecting all of that very, very soon. Okay. And then that is paragraph A. Paragraph B has to do with myself. I attach a copy of invoice, work preparation, attending that. Supreme Mr. Richards, Supreme Court, the amount to pay is that. That the amount to pay is that is cutting that. And also please let me know. Okay, we will, when you have considered the email, let me know. Let me know if you discuss me. I will monitor the position of that. The court proceeding then will be ended. Okay. So now, because she says she's discontinuing court proceeding, as finished. As you can see it there. Court proceeding, finingo, ended. No more we are going to court, finingo. So, the next action. The next action. Okay, Moako, Mombo. Jenwa fi hàn yín sìn. Èmi wá kọ email back. Mo wá kọ email back. Welcoming them back and everything. I wrote an email back. Mo wá béèrè wípé pẹ̀lú gbèsè tí Lizzy Anjorin jẹ, will she be able to enter this country or the UK or America? Wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé mi wípé all of this is as from today. This is as from today now. All of this paperwork and everything that they need to enforce on Lizzy Anjorin will be passed on to the UK embassy and of course to the US. She will not be allowed to enter this country until this particular issue is sorted. Nǹkan tí mo pín ní sí. Sísá wọn bọ́lá lè mi àwọn. Nǹkan táwọn sísá wọn bọ́lá lè kọ́ yẹn. Mo ní láti kọ́pì ẹ̀. Jẹ́ lọ kọ́pì ẹ̀, mo ti kọ́pì ẹ̀. Nígbà tí àṣé ẹ̀ lè ní mental problem tó bá ti ní kó wá sanwó. Pay people to kill our. Everyone knows pay people to kill our. So, ibo ni mo sọ̀rọ̀ dé jàre níbo ni mo sọ̀rọ̀ dé. Now, very straightforward. You and I know that Lizzy Anjorin has assets. She has luxury cars inside her compound. Tó bá fi máa ta irú range yẹn yọ kan. Range going is too expensive. Láti ta. So as of today, they will lodge this, and she won't be able to go to London, go to America. So wọ́n máa lodge from today and bó ṣe máa ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn until tí matter tó bá tó wà solved, because ẹni tó bá jẹ gbèsè 17,000 almost 18,000 kò yẹ kí irú ẹni yẹn kò yẹ kó lè ṣe kíni, kò yẹ kó lè travel kúrò ní ìlú. But tó bá ṣì ń travel kúrò nílùú tó ń flexi tó ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, then that means that ipò pé kò ṣe kíni, kò jẹ gbèsè nìyẹn. So we've been in contact with the other solicitor, the one that will enforce whatever judgment that has been passed in this country. They will enforce it in Nigeria, and she will get a bailiff letter. So our bailiff, they will go to her. If it's one of our Range Rover, they will take it. They will take it. They will sell it, and once they sell it, they will of course give me my money back. And that way we will get the money. But the money we will get 100 and in fact 2,000%. That's 17,892 pounds will be paid. And but if she wants to incur more charges, that's no problem. That's our problem. Any other money that we spend, wọ́n máa had the emele tó wà nílẹ̀. Any owó míì tó bá tún kù tá a bá tún ná, wọ́n máa jàn mọ́ gbogbo owó ilé tó wà nílẹ̀ ni. Okay? Wọ́n máa jàn mọ́ gbogbo owó ilé tó ṣe kíni. Wọ́n máa jàn mọ́ gbogbo owó ilé tó wà nílẹ̀ ni. So ó sì máa jẹ mọ́ gbèsè. And by the time they will do this calculation, I'm sure this money will be more than this now. Because now if she discontinued the charges, then she needs to pay all my fee completely. Pátápátá, borongodo. Tí ò ní ṣe kíni. Tí ò ní ṣẹ́kù ẹyọ kan. Kò ní ṣẹ́kù 1p. Kò tiẹ̀ ní kù 1p báyìí. So in tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ náà nìyẹn. Màá tún máa update yín o. Tí bailiff bá ti lọ bẹ̀. Tó bá pé Range Rover náà gbé, màá jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ ra Range Rover Lizzy Anjorin ní gbàǹjo, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kíni, ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀. Alibá ṣe advert ẹ̀ náà níbí pé ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run wọ́n jẹ gbèsè o. Ta ló fẹ́ ra mọ́tò? Gbàǹjo ló gbèdé, gbàǹjo ló gbèdé, mẹ́fà nígbàlá gbàǹjo wọ́n gbèdé. Èmi ò mọ̀ pé Lizzy ti ní depression. Ó ní sọ fún wa pé ó ní depression. Ó ní gbogbo àwọn customer, ó ní wọ́n ti ṣe kíni, ó ní wọ́n ti jápa. Ìgbà tẹnu gbẹ, ìgbà tán rí nǹkan jẹ, ìgbà tẹnu gbẹ, ìgbà tán rí nǹkan jẹ. Wọ́n yẹra fún wa o. Wọ́n jápa, wọ́n fèrè igi o. Wọ́n sá lọ ọwọ́ epo. Àti mọ̀ wọ́n ọwọ́ epo. Ọwọ́ epo. Àti mọ̀ wọ́n ọwọ́ epo. Oh, this is so nice. Congratulations. Ọmọ sister Lini ti bímọ. That's nice. She had a baby girl. Oh, that's so cute. Congratulations. That's really cute. That's very, very cute. God bless. Congratulations. God bless mother and daughter. Ọwọ́ epo, àti mọ̀ wọ́n ọwọ́ epo. Ọwọ́ epo. Ìgbà tẹnu gbẹ, ìgbà tá a rí nǹkan jẹ. So, màá update yín pátápátá lórí gbogbo bó bá ṣe ń lọ. Torí má tẹ̀lé ó máa lọ́ǹgì gan-an. Ẹ mọ̀, mátà tó máa lọ́ǹgì gan-an ni. Okay, wọ́n tún ti send mi nìkan. The solicitor just sent me something. Hold on. Solicitor just sent me something. Hold on. Okay.
Okay, I can see that. Okay. Okay, I can see what happened there. I can see what happened. I'm going to do something now. Hold on. Yeah. No, Mama, what are you doing? Okay, so I just received a letter from the solicitor now. Okay, Lizzy, jẹ́ kí n tún bẹ́ẹ̀ put it this way. Nígbà tí wọ́n mọ̀ wípé o ò fẹ́ kí ọmọ aráyé mọ òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọwọ́ yìí ń ro mí gan. Ìgbà tó mọ̀ pé o fẹ́ kí ọmọ aráyé mọ òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Question ni mo bi ẹ́ léèrè o. Kí ni nǹkan? You can't hear me? Can you hear me? Nígbà tó fẹ́ kọ́ ọmọ aráyé mọ̀ nípa nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Question ni mo bi ẹ́ léèrè o. Torí Ọlọ́run. Kí ni nǹkan tó fi lọ ṣe kí ni?
kí ni nǹkan tó fi lọ parọ́ fún wọn fún? Kí ló fi wá ń parọ́ fún wa lórí Facebook pé irọ́ ni o, and this did not happen, that did not happen, ìpòròpópó, because ó tún ti send nìkan sí lọ́yẹ̀ ń sìn yìí o. Wọ́n dẹ̀ send the copy of what he did to me. Ní tí mo post sórí wall mi, ó screenshot ẹ̀, ó send ẹ̀ sí wọn. Àwọn yẹn wá kọ́nà dandan rédèrèdè ródòdó síbẹ̀. Igbe yẹn kìnnì kan lẹ́tà. Ṣé mi ni mo kọ lẹ́tà ni? Èmi kọ́ ni mo kọ lẹ́tà náà. You cannot keep lying on me and expect me to keep quiet. Because you are lying on me. You are lying on me and you expect me to keep quiet. You were lying on me to the general public. Have you forgotten that there is a video where you kept shouting, no, there is nothing, the court didn't ask you to do this, the court didn't ask you to do that? Èmi náà máa forward rẹ̀. Èmi jẹ́ kémi náà lọ forward tèmi. Àjọ máa forward rẹ̀ síra wa ni má worry o. So, of course, you shouldn't lie to the general public if, when you know quite well, wípé kí ni o, wípé ẹ o, wípé wọ́n ti sọ fún ẹ pé o jẹ gbèsè owó pé kò dẹ̀ lọ sanwó. You shouldn't be lying to the general public. You were lying to the public. The content of letter tí mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ receive nsìn, òun ni wípé ó send nǹkan tí mo post sórí wall mi. That letter tó send yẹn, ó wá send ẹ̀ sí lọ́ọ̀yà ẹ̀. Wípé mo ń bọ̀, wípé mi ti sọ pé mo fẹ́ wá broadcast nípa letter yẹn lénìí o. Wípé letter yẹn dẹ̀ nìyí o. Wípé ó ń cause distress fún òun o. But why did you lie inside the letter? Why did you lie inside the letter? Because everything you wrote inside the letter they were all lies. You shouldn't have lied inside that letter. You shouldn't have lied inside the letter. Although mo ti yọ letter yẹn kó ń bẹ́ẹ̀ sí yìí o. But, you know, I'm sure páwọn èèyàn ti máa ní copy of it, which I don't give a freaking fuck about. You understand? Yeah? Because you kept lying. Stop lying to people so that ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ó máa ṣe kíni, ó máa lójútùú. And the most important thing is you need to pay the money that is outstanding. Nothing is affecting your business, because if it's affecting your business, you will not continue to stage shows on Facebook. You have constantly staged shows on Facebook. You have constantly harassed and bullied people on Facebook. If you don't want people to talk about you, don't continue to talk about people. You understand what I mean? So if you don't want me, mo ṣì máa sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ọ̀la pẹ̀lú face to face mi o. Mo ṣì ń bọ̀ wá fi sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ọ̀la pẹ̀lú face to face mi o. So letter tí mo post yẹn tó cause distress yẹn, wà ní láti ṣàlàyé o. Mo ṣì máa fi sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́la, mo ṣì máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa letter yẹn tó bá dọ̀la o. Because èmi àti àjọ ní ẹjọ́ kankan tá a jọ ń ṣe kíni. Àjọ ní ẹjọ́ kankan tá a jọ ń fà. Because you cannot continue to Mumba, let me reply this letter. One second. Mo fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ send the video ẹ̀ sí wọn níbẹ̀ ni. No, mo fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ send the video ẹ̀. Number. Me no be send the kini any. I have attached a video. Whoa, Indomie ton fẹ́ gùsí sí ni. Whoa. I have attached a video of her saying this in a separate email. In a separate email. Mo ti bẹ̀ send it off. If you know that why don't you want the general public to know the truth? Why are you lying to the general public? Why? Must you lie to the general public? You knew that a cost of 17,000 is outstanding and you are lying to the general public. But why? Why? Why are you lying to the general public? You shouldn't be lying to the general public. You should be straightforward. You understand? You should be straightforward. Don't lie to the public. Mari Lola Lori live chat. It's almost 10. I'm going to the shop tomorrow. I think maybe I'm going again on Friday. I might take tomorrow off. Yes. I think I'm going to take tomorrow off. I'll take tomorrow off and I will see you on Facebook. To bá ti di ọjọ́ Friday. Yes, I'll do my live chat on Friday. Tomorrow is a day off. If I need to come online tomorrow, I'll come online tomorrow on a broadcast like this. So yes, I will see you on Friday. Toshikini Togbaski. Take care. Bye. I'm going to bed. Adeyinka me. Bye. See you later. Mo ti fẹ́ sùn, orun ti ń kàn mí.